everybody, good morning. This is Jean here. I just wanted to check in and say hello to everybody. As you know, I've been downsizing. I forgot to video. Jen was just here. This is on a Friday. She came Friday morning. And we are trying to consolidate the quilts that I have down in my storage room, in my sort of an inventory room. As you might know, we're going from a larger home to a smaller home, and I don't have the space to have some of my quilts hung up. So what I had gotten, if any of you are in a downsizing mode or storage, I'm telling you, what I purchased from Amazon. I had purchased some of these vacuum sealed storage bags. These are just being stored temporarily until I find a place in my new sewing room, but because of the amount of things that we're moving, I don't have the room to have huge, great big containers of quilts, which can be massive. This brand of vacuum bags it's called SUOCO, Suoco storage bags, saves up to 80% of space. And oh my word, I got 2 lots of these storage bags. There's 9 in each bag, or somehow one has 9, one has 10 or something. It works with any vacuum cleaner, but if you don't have a vacuum cleaner, they actually come with a pump. And Maxwell was funny, he was trying to use the pump. I don't know if the pump works, but we have a vacuum cleaner. So very quick. And they're about 20 bucks. For this lot, reusable, and I just wanted to share. It's heavy because it's quite a lot of quilts, but that's like 4 quilts, 4 like lap size quilts. We got 3 king size quilts in a jumbo bag. They come in different sizes. This is a small bag. The one is this big, and again, just for temporary storage. It just is a vacuum thing. It just sucks all of the air out of them. I had tried one, and I thought, oh, I'm going to ruin my quilts. You take the quilt out and it just puffs up, and a little bit in the tumble dryer, and it's like brand new. But look at this. That's 4 quilts. I mean, it's heavy as anything, but for us to be moving, and what these do is, Jen's like, oh, you have to do a product review. I think I'm going to, because this stuff is fantastic. They have a valve here. You stick it on. They have the Ziploc thing. We tried to really fill it. It didn't work. And then we read the instructions. Jen's like, that's why there are instructions. You have to stop filling your thing to this point. And they work absolutely beautiful. So there's that one, and then there's this one. Again, very large quilts in this bag here. This is more of a large, but then we got a jumbo size. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. If any of you are wanting even to be storing things over the holiday season or for the winter time, yeah, I think they're between like $18 and $20 or something like this. But the brand is called Suoco, SUOCO, vacuum storage bags. And they guard against bugs on the bag. It was like guard against bugs, insects, all sorts of bits. That's actually that was printed. Oh, here it goes, printed on the bag here. Yeah, bugs, water, mildew. So this is my first time using them. This is a medium size, a 28-inch by 20. They have a smaller one. The jumbo is like 40-inch by 42-inch, something like that. Anyway, I just thought I'd share that with you. We're getting on with things. Our son is going to be moving December the 17th. He settles on his home. We are downsizing from our home here, moving into our son's home. He has bought a new home. That's the arrangement that's going to be. We're moving things into, well, the pod is filled that we have outside. My one son, Justin, he's bringing a trailer to do all of this. This is mostly my sewing room. All of these boxes, which are in the pod and in here. I think we have over 50 boxes of my fabric and everything. That my sewing room is pretty much empty. We're going to start to take the shelves down. So we're in a bit of a holding pattern, but it's okay because I'm going through room by room. The boys are helping. We're getting everything out from the closet the biggest job we're going to need all the boys and our daughter is to do our attic. We have a huge attic the size of our home, and it's filled with stuff. I don't know, but we're very blessed and very fortunate that we can make this move piecemeal. I have a large van that I can take things over in to the house. So yeah, we have sort of the best of the situation. We don't have a moving date. You know, I couldn't do it. We just couldn't do it. We've been selling things, we've been donating things to some different associations here. There's a hospital that the proceeds go to homeless people and unwed mothers. I like that. Goodwill's okay. There's a lot of stuff about Goodwill, but I've been donating to them. But we've been donating to some different places also. So I feel good about that. I'm on a roll. I'm just having to bite the bullet. Our son Francois came yesterday, and he's taken quite a few of the posters that we had, and a bunch of my mother's china, which I thought, oh, is so lovely. My mother got married in 1942, and her wedding china is old-looking 1942 china, gold with little roses, sort of 1940s. You know, sort of almost a Mad Men era, like before wartime. But my son Francois wanted it. It was quite a whole bunch. I think it was a place setting for 16. He's like, oh, we like that. He's building a house, and he likes that. He took a beautiful decanter that I had, lovely smoked glass decanter with lovely little brandy snifters. He took them, and a teapot, and the posters and some other things that he's taken. So our kids have come. I did sell quite a few things on Facebook Marketplace, but I found that wasn't really worth it. I just had one woman. I have a set of china, which is from 1930, Limoges, from France. It's old. The woman came, and I put it. It's from 1930. Right? It's 90 years old. She came to look at it, she said, and gave me a run around, about 20 communications for this thing. I was charged, it was $50 or something for this huge, great big thing of china. And she's like, she said, oh, it looks very old. Anyway, I said, okay, thank you, sir. And she said, I don't want it. I'm thinking, oh, what the heck? Of course it's old. Anyway, but we'll see what happens with all that stuff. Anyway, so here I am. I just wanted to share these with you. If any of you want to be sucking your winter clothes or coats or anything for storage space, wow, awesome. Suoco, Suoco. I highly recommend it. All right, just checking in, saying hello. Hope everyone's doing good. And Maxwell. Oh, I just wanted to say Maxwell got a job as a seasonal helper at UPS. Yeah, he's really excited. He's on the truck delivering packages. He came home yesterday. He's working about 4 or 5 hours a day on the truck. It's really been exciting for him. He came home yesterday. He's like, I'm so tired. But he has big guns. He has Truelove muscles, and he's getting on with it. And they're very appreciative. They like him. They like him a lot. So we'll see how that goes, just for the season. His IEP, there was a chap who sort of headhunted him and thought that he'd be good for this job, and he's a good fit. So Maxwell's doing that. Elliot's helping out. We're sort of in a holding pattern now. I'm just getting the house. But I think I would say I'm about 65% of the home packed up and ready to be done with. But I have a few more bits. But I forgot to video Jen. She was here. So she says hello to everybody. And yeah, so it's exciting. So have a lovely day, everybody, and thanks again for tuning in. We'll see you later. Bye.